Welcome to the Knowledge Academy YouTube channel. If you're new to SAP, you might be wondering, what exactly are SAP modules and why are they so important? Think of SAP as a giant toolbox for businesses. Each SAP module is like a specialized tool helping companies manage specific parts of their operations. Today we'll walk you through the ultimate guide to SAP modules in a simple, easy-to-understand way. Let's get started. What are SAP modules? SAP modules are individual systems within SAP that handle key business functions. They help businesses manage everything from finances to supply chains to customer relationships. The beauty of SAP, all these modules are connected, which means businesses can see the full picture in real time. Key SAP modules you should know. SAP FICO, Finance and Controlling. Manages all financial transactions, reporting, and cost control. It helps businesses track money, stay on budget, and meet financial goals. SAP Material Management. Handles purchasing, inventory, and warehouse management. It ensures materials are always available when needed. SAP SD, Sales and Distribution. Supports sales processes, from customer orders to shipping and billing. It helps businesses manage customer relationships and deliver products on time. SAP PP, Production Planning. Manages factory schedules, production resources, and manufacturing progress. Perfect for businesses that need to control their production timelines. SAP HCM, Human Capital Management. Focuses on employee management, including recruitment, payroll, and performance tracking. It helps businesses take care of their people. SAP SCM, Supply Chain Management. Covers the entire supply chain, from raw materials to final delivery. It improves logistics, tracks shipments, and makes sure products reach customers smoothly. SAP CRM, Customer Relationship Management. Helps businesses manage customer service, marketing, and sales campaigns. It builds better relationships with customers and improves loyalty. SAP S/4HANA, the modern platform. SAP S/4HANA brings all these modules together into one fast, cloud-based system. It's the future of SAP, offering real-time reporting, smarter dashboards, and quicker decision-making. Why should you learn SAP modules? SAP skills are in high demand. Each module can lead to career opportunities in finance, sales, supply chain, human resources, project management. Learning SAP modules can boost your career, open new job options, help businesses grow smarter. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the Knowledge Academy for more SAP guides and career tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.